Hi there. In this video, we're going to open up this lovely box that we've received from Jules at Resin Jules and Resin Detra Supplies. Here we go. Look at this beautiful tissue paper. All the mermaid style colours. So there's a little hint there. It's possibly the mermaid kit that you may have seen recently on the Instagram stories and the live that they did. So let's just get into this box now. Let's just move the tissue paper out of the way. It is jam-packed full of lots of lovely goodies. So without further ado, let's get into this box. So I've just put the tissue paper out on my work surface top. And now then, here we go with the first thing. So this is called Mylar, and it's like a film with a texture of, or the thickness of some sort of thin paper. It's not, the sticker should peel off, but if it doesn't, I mean, it doesn't take up much of the Mylar paper, but look at it. It's not stretchy. There's no give in it or anything like that, but you can cut it all up or you can use it in big pieces, small pieces, totally up to you what you do with it. You can put it out flat in a mould and then put resin, or you can cut it up into little pieces and mix it into resin. So that was the first thing. Now look at these. Lots of lovely little bubbles. They're like little bubbles. And they're blues, so you've got pale blue, darker blue, you've got white there. And here we go. Now we've got another little of these lovely little silver foil sort of holographic pouches they come in. And the different shades of these lovely little ball bubbles, I think they might be glass. So in that one you've got blues and purples and paler blues again. And look at these pearls. Now these are faux pearls. They haven't got holes through them, so you're not going to have any worries with little bubbles of air getting trapped. And beautiful colours. Very much the seaside mermaidy sort of whimsical theme to these. And again, all coming in these beautiful holographic pouches for packaging. Their packaging's always really on point. Now I call this confetti style glitter. Oh, look at the holographic pouch there. And we're just going to open this one up and have a little look. I think there's little different sizes of little round circles of what I call confetti style glitters. And you've got the pale, the pink, like the ballet slipper pink, the silver. You've got that beautiful deep purpley colour there as well. So I'm just going to pop that one back in there and make sure I seal it up nice and tight. Otherwise, you know me, glitter will be everywhere. And then there's another colourway, similar sort of thing, but this one much more marine-like. So it's sort of blues and silvery, greeny, gold colours, looking absolutely gorgeous. So I've just put the Mylar paper there. Just trying to put this all out on display for you. You can see exactly what you get. Two lovely little tubs of glitter. Now this is, I'd say a medium-sized glitter. It's not ultra fine. It's very, very light though. But look at that beautiful, beautiful glitter. So sort of different shades of pinks, silvers, a little bit of white. That will last for quite a lot of projects. And then we've got a similar thing again. More Aurora Borealis type looking. Oh, look at that. That is stunning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Very much on point with the mermaid, sea and marine theme, shells. I can see all sorts of things looking beautiful using these. Now, what's in this little box or little tub? So just this one's come in quite. All the packages are really well sealed as well. So look at this lovely little container. Now this, I've got a few of these containers. Oh wow, look at that. It's looking beautiful. Just can't wait to use this. I mean, this really is, wow. It's having a little, just being very, very careful at the moment, trying to open it. Just so that I don't end up spilling it all over myself and absolutely everywhere. Look at that. It's so beautiful, sparkly, Lots of lovely colours. Again, going back to the Aurora Borealis kind of look, or the Northern Lights maybe, sort of theme. But, I mean, you could use them in that sort of theme of pieces, of projects that you're making. You don't have to stick to using this for marine or mermaid style pieces. Look at this. Now, I can't remember... Sorry, what this is actually called, but it's very similar to the Mylar paper on the left of your screen there. It's all kinds of different colours. It's really, really lovely. Now, we do have something from a different supplier, very similar to this, in different colours, but this is gorgeous. You could use that if you had a mermaid's tail mould. You could mix it in with some clear silicone, put a lot of it in and pour it into the mould, let it cure, and it would look beautiful because it would give the effect of scales. Now, you've got more of the Mylar stuff, the Mylar sheet, which is beautiful. Look at the way the different, I mean, come on. I can't think of anything that you couldn't do that wasn't mermaid themed or shell themed or seaside themed using the Mylar sheet. Now these are natural semi-precious gemstones or crystals. They are called Amazonite. Now, apologies if I've got this wrong, but I'm sure these are one of the birthstones for March. Look at these. Now these are chips. So they are beautiful, all different shades of turquoise, cream, white, bluey white colours, bluish grey. They're gorgeous, and they come in this they're double bagged, so they're in their own individual see-through bag and then in this blue bag. So they're always going to be nice and safe when you're not using them. So they look absolutely gorgeous. And look at this now. This is my favourite semi-precious gemstone. It's called fluorite. Fluorite comes in lots of different colours. It also comes in a mix called rainbow fluorite. But look at this. These are beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Lots of shades of very, very pale turquoise. That looks a little bit like sea glass, some people might say, that perhaps you find on the beach. But this is definitely not sea glass. This is fluorite, and it's stunning. And I will be using it in a project. They look lovely in pendants, little like shaker pendants. If you know how to make those, I haven't learned how to make those yet, but that could be something for a future project. But you get that as well. And look at all of this. I mean, my area that I'm showing you is filling up fast, and we're still going. Look at this. Lovely little pinky purpley bag this time, and in this lovely little pinky purpley bag there is another bag of this beautiful blue, deep blue, sort of Mediterranean seas and skies, sort of blue, little blue round bits of glass, nice and smooth, nothing sharp about any of this at all. And I will let you know, I have actually already done another video after this where I have used some of that in the video. Stay tuned, make sure you hit the notification bell, and you will be informed of when that video is coming out. So we're still going, hope you're still watching. We've got 3 different types of micas or tints. There's this beautiful white here, beautiful, stunning white. Now, just giving it a little flick, trying to move all the white lovely powder down to the bottom of the bag. Wait for it. Am I going to get it all over myself? Because that's my usual thing. Ooh. And we're into the bag. Now, I wasn't going to stick my finger in, but I did in the end. So when you look at it front ways on, it looks white. But then can you see that? It's not picking up very well. You see white, and then it's on my finger. It looks sort of pinky coloured. You see that? Hopefully you can see that. But I mean, again, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. If you have a mould for ballet shoes and you dusted the inside of the mould and then just poured the same sort of colour resin in, they would look stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Now, here's the blue one. Now I opened this, I tried to be as careful as possible, but I did get it on myself, as you'll see in a minute. There we go. As you can see, it's a rich, deep turquoisey blue colour. Stunning, quite sort of pearlized as well. But that will look really, really beautiful in whatever project you put it in. And here's the third tint. Now this is gorgeous. This does remind me of the tints that we bought before from Jules at Resin Jules, and in her Aurora tints. Look at that. Now this is quite a large pot actually, and I have also used this in a project as well that you might see coming up very soon. So as I said before, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. There will be links in the description box to what you're currently seeing in front of you, and of course, as ever, the practical side of things, we've got a pair of latex gloves, blue gloves, I think they're latex, some great little stir sticks, some mini mixing cups, and a couple of larger, clearer plastic cups, or slightly larger plastic cups for mixing up your resins and so on. Now look, I mean, just look at that. There's so much there already. But there's one more thing. At least I think it was just the one more thing. No, oh no, I forgive me. I'm wrong. I completely got carried away there. Look at this container full of goodies. It literally looks like treasures from the bottom of the sea. You've got, look, can you see these turtles? Now these remind me of earring findings that you'd use if you make jewellery, which is what we used to do years ago. Don't do very much of that anymore, but just having a look. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could have 2 sets of jewellery where you make a pair of earrings and a pendant, or you could or you could have 6 pairs of earrings that you make. I mean, it'd be stunning. And then look at these. Again, these I would say are earring findings with the mermaid sat there. You could embellish these with everything that's in this kit, or the majority of the things that are already in the kit, but they look beautiful too. Lightweight, so not too heavy on the ears or around the neck, wherever you decide to put them, or even as charms on a charm bracelet. But look at this beautiful blue starfish. Love that. I'd love that in a pair of, just in a set, in a clear resin, in some earrings. And then a slightly different colour blue. I think they're all the same colour, it's just the way the lights are hitting it. There's lots of those as well. I mean, look, there we go. And all its little family. So that's all in that lovely little pot of goodness. There we go. I think we've got 2 more things possibly coming up in this video. As I said, I know this is longer than perhaps our usual unboxing videos, but hopefully you're staying with us so that you can see exactly. Oh my goodness, I'd forgotten about the hearts. How could you forget about the hearts, Laura? 2 beautiful bluish green, 2 pinky gold, and 2 of the white there. And look, followed it up finally with a couple of little lilac coloured mermaid tails. Again, would look lovely, whether set into resin as jewellery or part of maybe a trinket dish or whatever. But look at all of that. That was literally crammed into that pot. Crammed in. Now then, here we go. This is the last but one of this fantastic kit. Here we go. Just trying to open it up now and get it out so that you can see exactly what is been, again, crammed into this little bag. It is such good value for money. I'm not sure, I will say I'm not sure. I think this was possibly the last kit that she had put together, but she does release kits. Oh my goodness, she does release kits frequently, but you can obviously contact her via her socials and she'll give you all the info. Look at this beautiful starfish. I have used this as well in a project that will be coming up in a few days after this video that you will see. Beautiful, beautiful starfish there. And look at this, not to be undone. done by, I should say, by the starfish. The beautiful shell beautiful shell with hiding its treasure. That is a lovely little pearl. Look at that. Gorgeous. Then we actually have 2 of these little shells again. Beautiful. And then we've got a couple of other more on the whimsy side of things. Look at them. Look at the eyelashes. Some lovely little rainbow seahorses. And I think we've got a couple of rainbow octopus coming up. Octopi, I believe, is the plural for octopus. There we go. Look at them. Beautiful. How cute. And then last but by no means least, we have this beautiful dolphin. Absolutely gorgeous. Lovely. So, oh goodness me, I thought, oh no, I'm putting them back in them. For a moment there, I thought we'd got another tint to show you. Gosh. But no, I'm putting all those lovely little charms back in the packet and sealing them nice, tightly shut, so they're nice and safe. Just one last little glance at that pearl there in the shell, and also this beautiful starfish. So there we go, just popping those away, nice and safe. We are. Now you might be thinking to yourself, what on earth else could you have? Well, maybe the pièce de résistance is coming up now. There was also a mould included. Now, oh my goodness me. This is quite a good size. In fact, it's over the size that I've got of any other shell type moulds. I think this is called a conch shell, but look at the detail on it. I mean, you could put glitters in it. You could brush glitters over. You could brush the mica powders. Here we go. Look, you could put this all in it. I mean, it look beautiful. You could put the glitter in clear resin and put it in. You could add in some of these lovely charms. You could add in some of the glass beading here, the pearls, the mylar film. I mean, the world is truly your oyster here. So, my goodness me, quick roundup. It is extremely good value for money. All their products from Jules at Resin Jules and Helen at Resin Detra Supplies. Apologies if I got your name wrong there, Helen. But thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look. No. Honestly, Laura, you need to go and get yourself a coffee or something because you have forgotten this. This, I believe, is called the Mermix. So this is specially done by Jules, I believe. Being very, very careful opening this because this has got all sorts of bits and pieces of shells, of glitters, of charms. Look at that. Jam-packed full, and yes, I've got it on myself. full of lovely treasures from, I mean, you know, from the beach, from the sea, from the seabed floor. I mean, it is beautiful. I could just go on and on and on about that. And yes, I have used some of that as well in a project that you'll see coming up. So now that is it. That is all of it. Thank you. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I certainly enjoyed doing the unboxing. We did buy this kit from Jules and Helen. You can see there, that's their information. Or Helena, apologies Helena. For Helen and Jules, just wanted to say thank you for putting this kit together and giving us the chance to purchase it from you. We'll continue to watch your lives on Instagram. They're always fascinating to watch, and continue to buy. Thanks for liking, sharing and subscribing. Hit that notification bell. Thank you everybody, and don't forget this fantastic new mould. Thanks then. Bye-bye.